The scientists of the SYNAPS-I collaboration are accelerating the pace of scientific discovery and technological advances. We're developing AI foundation models that are being deployed at the Department of Energy light and neutron sources to make processes that once took months take mere minutes. Researchers from across the country rely on our user facilities to perform crucial experiments that can't be done elsewhere, and now they have access to AI-driven tools built by SYNAPS-I and other initiatives for critical applications like microelectronics, battery design, and agricultural resilience. For example, at the Advanced Light Source, we can peer inside plants to study the effects of drought at the microscale. But manually processing the data takes months. Through the Genesis mission, SYNAPS-I is tackling this challenge. Our newest AI foundation models will process these images in near real time, and researchers can adjust experiments on the fly. And speed isn't the only gain. The AI will be able to identify information that human analysts would miss entirely. With these capabilities, DOE user facilities can match or lead the pace of innovation demanded by global markets. By leveraging the power of AI, SYNAPS-I is driving a new era of research across disciplines, delivering solutions in energy technologies, chemical and materials manufacturing, agriculture, and medicine.